Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at BUNC Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a review of 40 years of the 20 pence, which occurred earlier on this year, and they brought out this special presentation pack. Now there are 3 coins in here, these 3 here, which are slightly tarnished and worn. These are ones that have been taken out of circulation, as can be seen here. These are ex-circulated coins. This very bright one is a brand new coin, and that's the one I want to concentrate on. So if we bring this right the way down and we zoom in a little bit, on this coin there is a very special mint mark, and it's here just underneath the Queen's neck. You'll see an embossed 40. This is the only coin, the only 20 pence that will have this on, and it's only available in this presentation pack. Now if I just remove the presentation pack for a second, the mintage for this particular coin or this particular pack is a limited pack. I believe the mintage for this pack is 2022, I believe is the total for this coin pack. You may be lucky, and just to show you, this is what the mint mark will look like actually underneath the neck. So if you go over here next to the initials of the portrait, there is a 40 just about here, and that's what it looks like when you view it. Now I'm trying to find out from this one, the 3 coins that you have the Machin portrait, the Makalov portrait, the Rank Broadley portrait, and of course the Jodie Clark portrait. There we go, and there's the limited edition. It's 2022. So there are 2022 packs with this 20p with the 40 underneath the neck next to Jodie Clark's initials. This makes this quite a rare piece. I'm not going to tell you it's going to be worth a fortune because I just don't know, but on such a short mintage normally you'll find that people will regret not buying it now or when it came out, and will be searching for it later on to complete their collection. So what do you think of this? Do you think the mint have gone for the money in these sets? I believe they're about £30 each, plus I think they're 35 plus £5 packaging, so 40 quid, £10 a coin. Do you think it's worth it? If you're talking of all 4 coins each being worth £10 each, that's just not right. The one that's going to have all the money on it as he gets further on in and a longer period of time, this one here, this coin here, is going to hold all the money in the set. Of this set, that's, as I say, worth around about £40 posted to you. This coin is the one that's going to hold most of the value. These are just common everyday coins with 4 of the 5 portraits of the Queen shown on the 4 of them. As I say, because this one has got this rare privy mark of 40, it is going to be worth probably more than any of the others, and people will find it very difficult to find this coin in later years, as there's only 2022 of them minted. So, what do you think of this set? It's unusual because of the low mintage of that one particular 20p that's been minted this year. There aren't just 2022 minted 20p's, far from it, but the one with the 40 embossed into it, that's what makes it the rarity in the limited edition. I think in future years this set is going to be highly sought after by collectors, and it will go up in value simply because of that. Tell me what you think. Would you have bought this set, or have you got this set? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something in those 4 videos that you want to watch over the next week. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future from me, thank you for viewing, and bye bye for now. Ta-da!